Hello guys! Once again I'm here. So, guess what we are making for today? Somebody is requesting me how to make this recipe that I will share to you. You know, because many people in the Middle East, this recipe is very popular everywhere, all over UAE as well, in cafeteria, in restaurant, anywhere else. You can see this kind of bread. You know why? Because any nationality here living in UAE love to eat this kind of bread. And of course, this is Chef Deborah. Let's go and let's start making now the paratha bread. For the ingredients, we need 500 grams of flour, 250 ml of water, ghee. You have to put it whenever it's necessary. Look, I opened the ghee to show you how it looks. And we also need 1 teaspoon of salt. For the procedure, just mix all together all the ingredients. Mix it until incorporated by the use of your hand. And then knead the dough until it becomes smooth. Put like 1 teaspoon of ghee all over the dough and continue kneading it. When it's ready, just rest for at least 10 minutes. And now, it's ready to divide the dough. Weigh the dough for at least 100 grams each to get the uniform in size. Shape each dough like a balls. After shaping, you have to rest it for at least 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of resting, you have to flatten the dough by the use of the rolling pin, like a circle. Now, you can spread all over the ghee, sprinkle with a little flour, and fold it like a fan fold. Then, fold it like a round shape, and tuck the end at the bottom of the dough. Just continue this procedure until you finish all the dough. Let's rest for another 5 minutes before flatten the dough again. I made this kind of foldings because paratha must have a layering of the dough. After 5 minutes, now we can start to flatten again the dough. Now, I will start cooking now all the paratha. The paratha is ready. You know, I like to eat this paratha. I spread all over some cheese and I'll roll it. This paratha is very famous all over in UAE. Look, it's very nice. I try to break it in half and you will see the layering that I made. It's very good looking. See? It's so soft. Like and share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me in Instagram and Facebook. I shared to you this recipe because nowadays many Filipinos and other nationality, they like to eat this paratha. At least when you watch my video, you will see how to make it and it's easy for you to make it in your home. No need for you to go out to buy it in the restaurant or cafeteria. You can make it by your own at your home. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned how to make paratha with me.